Our new chapter, chapter number 9, Man, our companion. Children, what is companion? Companion means a friend. Companion means our friend. Next slide. What are maps? Maps. Now, maps are our companion. Means we need a map to go each and everywhere. Need a map. Map आ जाएंगे वहाँ पे हमें लगता है. So they are friend of us. Okay. A map is a representation or a drawing of the earth surface or a drawing of the earth surface. Printed one. Map are drawn by the hand or a printed one. It helps us identify the place and location within an area where we want to go. Who help us? A map help us. You can go and search it our Badlapur in our Maharashtra map. Okay, so many types of maps are there. In like a state maps is there, country map is there, India map is there, Maharashtra map is there. So you will get this everything on your computer. First of all, in the ancient time, there was using a hand map. I don't know, you must be knowing or not. One book is there of map. It's called an atlas. Geography में when I was in 10th standard, I used to use that book. When I was in 10th standard, okay, it was called a atlas book. वहाँ पे उसमें सब कुछ मैप दिया हुआ रहता है. Okay, in that book, maps every each and every map is given over there. Okay, it helps us to identify the place where we want to go, a location where we are going, an area helping us to navigate from one place to another. एक place पर दूसरे place पे जाने के लिए now we are using a Google. Siri, please show this place. Google Map, please show this. We are using a digital map. Yes or no? We'll see ahead. Next slide. A land in our environment is not of the same height. We had taught you this in the third chapter only. A land where we stay, where we stand, it's not a same height or a straight नहीं होती है, flat land नहीं होती, ऊपर नीचे, it's called an unevenness, up and down. Unevenness means what? Up and down. This unevenness gives rise to various land. This rise gives us to the various landforms, shapes, creates a different landform such as mountain, valley, plateau, plains, and island. Because of the unevenness of the land, what we are getting a various types of landform. We are getting a various types of landform such as mountain, valley, plateau, plains, and island. You had studied this in a third chapter. I taught you everything in the third chapter. It was cleared in the third chapter only. The land we are staying, it's called the earth. Earth पे land एकदम flat नहीं है. Okay, see unevenness means up and down. Unevenness means up and down. Okay. For a proper understanding of our environment, it is necessary to study the physical or a natural setup of the land. What we are going to study about the natural setup of the land, physical or a natural setup. Physical means handmade, okay, man-made. It's called a physical. Natural means जो automatically environment means भगवान ने उसको create किया. It's called a natural, like that. Next slide. In standard 4th, when we learn about map, in standard 4th, you are having a chapters called map and all that. Okay, map. We saw a 5,000-year-old map. That time, what we saw, a 5,000-year-old map. This means that man has felt the need to map since ancient time. From ancient time, maps used to be used. Okay, they were making with the hand, not with the Google map. That time Google map was not there, Google was not there, series was not there. Who was to make? A man was to make the handmade map. Okay, they used to use a handmade map. At that time, maps were mainly used in wars. Children, you must be saw on this picture, Bahubali. Yes or no? Then one of the picture is there. I don't know the name of that picture, but one name. when I will remember, I will tell that name. They used to use a map in Bahubali also. उन्हें क्या बताता है, कटप्पा and all that, shows a map and all that. यहाँ से आओ वहाँ से आओ and all that. You must be saw on that picture, okay? While fighting a battle, it is important to have details knowledge of the terrain. Means कहाँ से enemy आ रहा है, कहाँ से जाएंगे, हम लोग कहाँ से attack करेंगे. This is called a map. A map is very useful in the war. The map is very useful in the war. Okay. It helps in work out the strategy of defending the enemy. Enemy को हराने में map की जरूरत होती है. Okay, it's very important to defending the enemies. Maps were very useful for these purposes. Maps are very useful for these purposes. The length and breadth of a landform can be easily shown on a piece of the paper. The length means height and breadth of the land can be shown easily on the paper. हम लोग draw करते हैं ना map. When you go ahead, your max में तुम लोग को map draw करने में होगा या फिर कुछ बनाने length and breadth it's there. Then in geography you can show. Okay. There are different methods of showing the elevation of height of the land. Contour line method. These are the three methods to show the map exactly the length and height. Okay, these are the three methods to show the length and breadth of the landform. This ऊपर से नीचे तक. Okay, Tanaji, very good. Yeah, Tanaji was one of the picture name. Okay, thanks, child, for remembering me. Okay. The height and depth cannot be shown as easily. There are different methods of showing the elevation of the height of the land. These are the three methods I am repeating again. Contour line method, layer tinting method, and digital evaluation model. Okay, these are the three methods. Okay, these are the three methods. Then we will see about the contour line method. This method is used to show the unevenness of landform on the map. Unevenness means ऊपर नीचे वाली map में हम लोग इसको use कर सकते हैं. Means exactly we will not get the height and breadth of the land, but we can get exactly. Okay, the height of the land is measured from sea level. कहाँ से measure होता है? From the sea level. Can you tell me, children? The sea level has a flat land. Yes or no? No. In the sea, पानी ऊपर नीचे रहता है because of the landform, because of the land. Because in the sea, the land is up and down, up and down. इसलिए भी पानी भी हम लोग जैसे जैसे अंदर जाते हैं नीचे 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 चले जाते हैं. Yes or no? So therefore, we are not getting the exact number of the land. Okay. Next point of the same height are identified. The position is marked accurately on the map. इससे हम लोग को पता चलता है कि यहाँ पे डेप्थ कितना है और यहाँ पे ऊपर कितना है, नीचे कितना है और ऊपर कितना है. तो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना आगे मत जाओ, वहाँ पे बहुत खोल है, इतने को जाओ, इतने का जाओ. ये सुनो, देन मम्मी इज शाउटिंग डोंट गो अहेड, देयर इज, बोलते हैं डेप्थ है, मीन्स पूरा खड्डा है वहाँ पे, तुम लोग नीचे जा सकते हो. ओके, लाइक दैट. दिस लोकेशन आर जॉइंड विद अ लाइन. Okay, such lines are called contour line. See map A. Can you see the map A over here? These lines are given up and down lines are given over here, like that. Okay, in the map, lines are drawn, each joining places of a specific height. This way, the relief of the land can be easily shown. It helps us to understand the slope of the land and the height of different places. Who helps this? The contour line method helps us to understand the land of the height. What is the height of the land? We can understand with the help of the contour line method. Next slide. Next slide, please. Observe the given diagram. Note that when there is a less distance between the contour line, can you see this map, children? यहाँ पे लेस डिस्टेंस है तो तुम लोग यहाँ के जंप करो. देयर इज बिग बिग गैप ओवर हियर. कहाँ कहाँ बिग गैप है, वहाँ पे यार खड्डा बड़ा है. ओके, वहाँ पे लाइंस भी ऊपर नीचे है. कैन यू सी स्लोप, जेंटल स्लोप इज देयर ओवर देयर. मीन्स अलग अलग टाइप के लैंड्स होते हैं. Okay, between the contour line, the slope is steep, whereas if the distance is greater, the slope is gentle. Where is the, जहाँ पे गैप कम है, स्लोप कैसे है, जेंटल है, बड़े बड़े. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Now we will see about the layer tinting method. layer tinting method. What is this? This is a very easy method to understand the land because it has given a color. इसमें क्या यूज करते, कलर यूज करते. झाड़ को ग्रीन कलर दे दो या फिर लैंड को ब्राउन कलर दे दो या फिर वाटर को ब्लू कलर दे दो. Every must be knowing that earth is having which color. Earth is a round shape. Why the earth is given called a blue planet? Due to a water. Okay, you can give a water a blue color like that. Means this method is very easy to understand. This method is very easy to understand. This method is based on the contour line. In this method, the space between the contour lines are filled with the color. किससे भरा पड़ा रहता है ये, कलर से. We can give any color of your choice. You can give any color. But in the textbook, they have given the orange color, yellow color, and green color. They have given the orange color, yellow color, and green color. Okay. Each color indicates a specific height. यहाँ पे इतनी हाइट है तो तुम लोग जाओ मत. यहाँ पे कम है, you can go there like that. Means each color is given a specific height. For example, sorry. Water bodies are colored in which color? Blue color. पानी को कौन सा कलर दिया जाता है? Blue color. Whereas the adjoining land is colored dark green. Adjoining means उसको जो joined होता है, पानी and land को joined होता है, उसको कौन सा कलर दिया है? Dark green color. Which color they have given? Dark green color. Land higher than that is colored in a light green. उससे ऊपर ऊपर जैसे लैंड ऊपर ऊपर जाती है, कौन सा कलर दिया हुआ है? ग्रीन कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. नेक्स्ट हायर लैंड इज कलर्ड येलो एंड सो ऑन. जैसे और ऊपर जाते हैं लैंड, ऊपर ऊपर लाइक हिमालयस एंड ऑल दैट, यू आर गोइंग अप अप अप, द कलर्स आर गिवन, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कलर्स आर गिवन लाइक येलो, light green, dark green, blue color for water and everything. Okay, this is called a layer tinting method. It's very easy to use. Next slide. Teacher, next slide please. See the page number, children. 1 second. Can you see the page number, everyone? Please open your textbook. Something problem is there. See page number 40, everyone. I will explain from there. Page number 41. Okay, some problem is there maybe. Study the given color index. Note how the color changes with the height. The color between the contour lines show up the difference in the physical setup. Okay, setup C map B. More than 4880 color is white. उससे means ज़्यादा 4880 से क्या है color है? White color दिया हुआ है. Less than -150 blue color there. Light blue is color given there. -75 to -150 उससे थोड़ा light blue color दिया है. Means each and every has a different color. Can you see in the page number 40? I told you that only. More than 400 के बीच में कौन सा देना है on all that. Okay, then this is the color. This is what I am teaching you about the layer tinting method. I am telling you about the layer tinting method. Then we will see next method is digital evaluation model. Digital evaluation model. Okay. Thank you, children, for opening for opening the textbook.
Teacher.
Okay, children. Now I will tell you about the digital elevation model. This is the most modern method that you are using in a daily life. Google, Siri, then you're using a watch also of Google. I want to go here, please show the map and all that. Yes, children. In this, the information about obtained through the man-made satellite is presented with the help of computer. This is what we are using nowadays. That's a computer. We use whatever we want. We put a name of that place. हमको यहाँ से वहाँ जाना है. Please. फिर से तुम लोग को चालू, तुम लोग जाते हो, दिखा देते हैं. फिर वो बोलती है प्लीज टेक द राइट टर्न. Yes or no? I know children screen is not visible, but see your textbook. In the textbook everything is available, so no need for the PPT also. Okay, no need for the PPT also. Teacher is having some problem today, so please bear it. Today network issue is there. कभी कभी हो जाता है नेटवर्क इश्यू, ओके, तो बेयर करना सीखो जरा. See map C. In it, we can directly observe the difference in the height of the landform. Man-made using the above method help us to understand the physical setup of a region. In other words, they give us an idea of this height. It can be whatever you nowadays we can see that कितना मीटर हम लोग चले वो भी तुम लोग कंप्यूटर पे देख सकते हो. सुनो, height, relief and snow. Using computers, we can even find the height of each point on a digital map. Physical map can be used in military operation. Physical map are used in military operation. Physical means what children? Main a man-made map. Okay, military operation में क्या? Military में तो लगता ही है map. In naval, in फिर air force, everyone needs a map. वो लोग कहाँ पे मैप बताते हैं, वो लोग बोर्ड पे ड्रॉ किया हुआ रहता है. प्लीज गो फ्रॉम हियर, तुम लोग यहाँ पे ये बोलते ना, दिस गार्ड विल स्टैंड हियर, दिस गार्ड विल स्टैंड एंड अटैक फ्रॉम हियर, अटैक फ्रॉम द. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ मैप फॉर द मिलिट्री ऑपरेशन. टूरिज्म, माउंटेन. टूरिज्म क्यों यूज करते हैं? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी? टूरिज्म क्यों यूज करते हैं? हम लोग जहाँ पे जाएंगे. Now I want to go to America, but I don't know where America and all that. I don't know the route of the America. I don't know what is there in the America. Yes or no? Then what I will see? I will see the map. I will see the map. Okay. Then I will buy. I want a food. मुझे भूख लगी है तो मैं कहाँ पे देखूंगी? अभी मुझे तो पता नहीं होटल्स कहाँ पर है अमेरिका में. तो मैं कहाँ देख क्या देखूंगी? I will see the map. I will ask to the Google. Google, where is the food court? Then Google will show me. Go left. Go right. Go straight. Go that side. Go that side. Go that side. And this is your destination. Okay, she says like that only, na? Then mountaineer routes. If anybody wants to climb the mountain, hacking करते हैं ना जो लोग, वो लोग भी क्या यूज करते हैं? They are also using a map. They are also using the map. Who are doing the hacking and tracking? They are means climbing the mountain and all that. They are also using the, what they are using? They are also using the map. In making regional development plans, etc. Regional development plans means what children? Building बनाने के लिए कुछ means anything, any purpose you need for building the maps and all that. You need a plan. You need a plan. That is called a map. Next slide. Do you know, children? Nowadays, many modern methods of making maps have been developed. Means too much modern methods are there for using the maps and all that. Previously, relief was shown using the hill shading technique. Previously means पहले के ज़माने में हिल को कैसे शेडिंग किया जाता था, but nowadays automatically हिल आ जाता है वहाँ पर on the Google and all that. The map given below is an example of this. Next slide. Now this is the main part of the map that I am going to teach you. That is the signs and symbols. Without the signs and symbol, map is incomplete. Without the signs and symbol, map is incomplete. Signs and symbols are very important to show the location exactly where is that. Sign means kya? Symbol means kya? We will see that. Conventional signs. Signs are used to show various things on a map as per convention. These are in the form of letters or geographical shapes. For example, lines, circles, triangles, dots, etc. Okay, these are the form of letters. Letters में दिखाया जाता है या फिर geometrical shapes में दिखाया जाता है. Like line, straight line जाओ means straight जाओ. Circle means you can turn it your car and all that. Turn यहाँ पे circle है. Then triangle means यहाँ पे कुछ तो है. Okay. Then that up and down means यहाँ पे क्या है? Speed breaker है. Dots are there. कुछ तो कुछ है. This is called a signs. Then we will see the symbols. Without the symbol we cannot stop. अभी मेडिकल के लिए सिंबल ग्रीन कलर का है. Everyone must be knowing that. हॉस्पिटल के लिए रेड कलर का है. मीन्स इन द मैप इफ यू ड्रॉ अ रेड कलर साइन मीन्स ऑफ प्लस साइन, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ हॉस्पिटल. तो हम लोग जहाँ वहाँ पे जाके रुक सकते हैं कि किसी को लगाए वहाँ पे जाके हम लोग रुक सकते हैं. देन मेडिकल का दवाई चाहिए मीन्स इमरजेंसी दवाई, तो वेयर वी डोंट नो वेयर इज द मेडिकल एंड ऑल दैट. व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल सर्च इट इन द मैप एंड वी विल गो स्टॉप देयर एंड टेक अ मेडिसिन. इमरजेंसी के लिए फटाफट गूगल मैप खोलेंगे और जाके हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि कहाँ पे क्या है. Symbols are used to show various things on a map as per convention. Symbols are the miniature drawing on the respective फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेम्पल्स के लिए एक घर बनाया जाता है, ऊपर अपना झंडा लगाया जाता है. देन मॉस्किस के लिए उनका चांद एंड व्हाट दैट समथिंग स्टार इज आई थिंक सो. देन फोर्ट के लिए फोर्ट बनाया जाता है. ओके, देन एक्सेट्रा. दिस आर द कॉल्ड सिंबल्स मेड इन ऑन द मैप. The use of signs and symbol in a map helps the reader to get exact information about the place on the map. A list of the map things that the signs and symbol represent is given in the key to the map. This is very important to use in the map. That's a sign and symbol. Without the sign and symbol, we cannot use the map. We cannot draw the map. Next slide. Okay. Now study this list. Can you see the symbols over there, children? Of the some of the symbol used by the Survey of India while making the map. These are the symbol made by these Indian person while serving. Okay, while serving. Post office के लिए PO दिया हुआ है. Harbor where the ships come. It's called a harbor. उसको देखो क्या दिया हुआ है. Light house के लिए red color light house. ओके, इट्स गिवन ओवर देयर. फोर्ट के लिए अलग दिया हुआ है. ब्यूरल ग्राउंड मीन्स फोर्ट जहाँ पे आदमी लोग को गाड़ते हैं, मरे हुए आदमियों को. इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री के लिए लाइंस दी गई हुई है. बैटल फील्ड के लिए देखो एक्स दिया हुआ है, मीन्स तलवार दी हुई है. रेलवे के लिए रेलवे लाइंस इज गिवन ओवर देयर. वेल, अ डॉट, स्प्रिंग, अ प्लस साइन, ट्रायंगुलर मार्क्स आर गिवन ओवर देयर. ट्रायंगुलेशन. देन सेटलमेंट जहाँ पे घर है वहाँ पे ग्रास के लिए ग्रीन दिया हुआ है. कॉन्चर लाइन मीन्स लेग्स के लिए ब्लू कलर का वाटर के लिए. रोड. देन माइंस मीन्स क्या, जहाँ पे कोयला मिलता है. देन रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट, RF मीन्स व्हाट, रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट, फॉरेस्ट जहाँ पे है. मीन्स ईच एंड एवरी हैज अ सिंबल इज आल्सो and they have written what are the, this is meaning of the symbol. Post office, each and everything should be written over there. This survey is done by the Indian man, okay, while making the map. She put in the map. Now children, do one thing. Today one homework is there for you. Homework with कुछ अलग करते हो तुम लोग. You can do a map. Okay, you can draw a map of Badlapur and show the hospitals, railway line, then post office of the Badlapur. Show each and everything where it is. East, west पे कहाँ पे अपना बदलापुर है in Maharashtra map. You can search it and draw in your notebook. Okay, next slide. Do you know, children, the Survey of India is the foremost map making institution in the India. This is the foremost map making institution in India. एक ही मैप मेकिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन है अपने यहाँ पर. व्हाट इज दैट नेम? सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया. सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया. It was established in 1767. It was established in 1767. Okay. This institution has made a large number of topography maps of the Indian subcontinent on various scale by conducting field survey. These maps are known as the world over for their accuracy. The institution headquarters are in Dehradun in Uttarakhand. कहाँ पर है ये सब कुछ? देहरादून इन उत्तराखंड में ये मैप मेकिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन है. अपने इंडिया में एक ही है जो वहाँ पे मैप मेकिंग होता है. पूरे इंडिया का मैप कौन बनाता है? दिस इज द इंस्टीट्यूशन मेक अ मैप ऑफ इंडिया. सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया इज द वन मोस्ट foremost institution making a map. Okay, last slide. Let us revise what I have taught you. Again I will tell you. Okay, introduction to landform method of showing physiography, the use of color to show height, the use of conventional signs and symbol. Somebody want to see the digital? Teacher, please show the digital evaluation model slides. Somebody want to see that slide? Okay, can you see? This is the most modern method. In this, information obtained through man-made satellite is presented with the help of computer. See map C. In it, we can directly observe the difference in the height of landform. Maps made using the above method help us to understand the physical setup of a region. In other words, they give us an idea of the height. What is the exact height over there? They gives an idea. Relief of and the slopes. Where is the slope? Where is the relief? They can show exactly. Using computer, we can even find the height of each point of the digital map. Physical maps can be used in military operation, tourism, drawn up mountaineers routes in making religion development plans, etc. Okay, everyone understood the chapter. I will show you the one video, then you will clearly understand the chapter what I have taught you. Okay, if you missed anything in the video, you hear it clearly, then you will understood the chapter. Teacher, please show the video.
Student or